Okay guys, so I got this sweet presentation I want to show you guys. So let's just plug in here.
I think it might be this cable.
You know what? Maybe it's...
Matt,
Oh, it's.
what do you guys? Okay, we probably need the internet too.
Oh yeah.
What are these things?
I like get the time together.
How
first.
about this one?
And then
This cable? I think I used this one last week.
You know what?
try to. All right, guys, I got this sweet presentation I want to show you. Let me throw it up on the board here.
It's really as easy as plugging it in, clicking, and sharing. Plug into reality with Barco ClickShare. Eliminate all those messy wires and long setups. Wireless presentations are now only a click away. With Barco ClickShare, the presenter can not only easily get their information on screen, but it also allows for other attendees to be more active in the meetings. Sharing through the Barco ClickShare can be done with Windows, Mac, or even iOS and Android-powered mobile devices.